Hey guys, AJ here with Unbound in Pursuit, and today we're going to be setting up and taking a look at 6AM's Baldy Tarp. It's great for a one-man shelter out in the elements. Could also be used just as stash gear if there's multiple guys. It comes in at about 13.5 ounces, so less than a pound. It fits in with still room to spare. The small G3, also from 6AM Outdoors. So really small. You can imagine a nice hot summer day, throwing something like this in your pack. You're gonna go in with a pretty light pack. Super low, minimal assistance to set up, and you don't have to worry about necessarily where you are. There's multiple configurations you can set it up as to help protect you from the weather and constantly change it because it's quick and easy. Here we go. Alright, so this time with the Baldy Tarp, you've got each corner pulled tight, and what you're going to want to do is, instead of having your trekking pole upright like on the bitter root or on the four corner shelter, you're actually going to have your trekking pole upside down, hook in on top, and you're going to want to tie off on the corners. Pull it tight and stake it down, and that's what's going to keep this tight and upright to ensure that you have a good sleep. So first, I'm going to have to pull it this way, stake it down. Once I have it tight this way, she's on there good. And it's on the other side. Do the same. Knot up here. Alright, so there's the the Baldy Tarp. Got the trekking poles in, got the paracord stretched tight. It's about 5 feet by 10 feet long. Stretched tight. As you can tell, you can just lay right underneath, be out of the weather. You can pull your trekking poles more this way if you need. Multiple configurations. You can maybe even, if you had little trekking poles in the back, you can tie off the trees, get it to where it's higher off the ground, but also keeps you out of the weather. So there's the Baldy Tarp. Great for stashing gear, or great for a one-person backpacking experience. Check them out. 6AM Outdoors, VIam Outdoors.com. Link and specs will be below.